Let's try, see if it works this time. Hello everybody, this is Nava Cohen Mendelssohn, your favorite teacher from Haifa, City of Lights. It's been long time, I have not made any films. As you can see, I'm a little different today. I had fan to my hair. I'm looking, sorry I not look at you, but I have to look at myself when I talk about how I look. No, yes. Yesterday we had wedding, very pretty wedding of a friend of Sagit, not Sagit, of course, she will never get married. She has this very good friend of hers, she's from France. Yes, France, okay, I say it correctly. But at least I have this very nice scarf I get from her French friend. So yes, we were at this wedding yesterday. But now I want to talk about more relevant... I hear in the news they say it's going to be very cold weather. It's a storm and it's end of the world. No, I am laughing. I am just laughing on it, of course. But you know, they said it might be snow in Haifa, so you have to be ready for anything. If there is too much snow and all of a sudden walls fall on you and you're alone at home in the cold and it's dark and nobody hear you screaming because there is a storm outside and Sagit is not at home to help you because she go with her. You know, it's not like Boston. It's not going to be minus 50 degrees. It's not going to be, but it will be cold. It's not sunshine and flowers and lollipops. It will be, you know, it will be cold. But something worse that is coming, not worse, but something else very important that is coming, is we have elections again. March 17th, we have the big election for Prime Minister, and it is St. Patrick Day. So why not just drink beer, elect for someone, you know, it's going to be a revolution here. Probably it will be a revolution, we have new Prime Minister and new ministers in all Knesset, you know. So I'm very optimistic. God willing, like we say, the Drake will get off the throne. And also her husband, if you know what I mean. What do you say about this fan also? I think I will leave it. I like it very much. Sagit, tell me, it look a little bit not nice, but I think Sagit is only jealous because she can never do fan because she look like Pitbull in mask. I'm sorry, Sagit, but you know it's true. Don't make me... My God, you can't even say a word here without jumping and eating your neck off. I'm trying to make a video here, you know, you're trying to help me. It's for your students. It's not really for your students, but you know, it's nice to say because she then helped me to make and edit and all of everything I need to do here. Everything on my own here. באמת, שגית, אני לא יכולה לעזור. Thank you for watching. Sagit, can you help me how I...